for showing up and standing in solidarity with the Rastafari Society of Kenya. So today we were before my Lord Justice Bahati Mwamuye for the sole purpose of seeking his audience so that Rasta can be liberated from the shackles of stigmatization, the shackles of victimization for their belief in their culture and for their practice in the culture of Rastafari. So Rastafari Society of Kenya is a duly registered association, society registered under the Societies Act, registered in the year 2017. They have been there championing and standing strong for the rights and fundamental freedoms of Rasta. As we speak, there are certain laws passed in the year 1994 before the promulgation of the current constitutional dispensation that continue to victimize Rasta, continue to frustrate him, and continue to act as a bulwark and a prevention for Rasta in enjoying their freedom of worship, in enjoying their freedom of association, and also in enjoying their right to privacy. For long, Rasta has been victimized for use of marijuana, alternatively called cannabis sativa, sometimes called kivela, sometimes called kushungpeng, or called ndom, whichever local name you want to give it. But we want to thank the current constitutional dispensation, particularly the framers of the constitution, by observing under Article 56 the right of the marginalized and giving the state the responsibility of protecting the marginalized within our community. So today we have not been successful at getting the audience of the Honorable Court because the state on another occasion has sought to postpone this case further. This case was commenced on the 17th day of May 2021. It has taken these men and women their patience to wait for this long for this day, but it has not come to fruition. But we are grateful nonetheless to the Honorable Court that the court has decided that our day, the day of Rasta, shall be the 14th and the 15th day of January 2025. So 2026, thank you, Rasta. Give thanks. So next year on the 14th and the 15th day of January, we'll be coming here at 9:30 for the court to hear Rasta. We have lined out 3 witnesses who are going to testify, give evidence before the court so that the court can be justified in its decision. But indeed, it is discriminative to disallow Rasta from their use of marijuana as far as their religious belief is concerned. We are not saying that the prevention, or rather the prohibition of the use of marijuana should be lifted for all and sundry. That is not what Rasta is calling upon. Rasta is only asking the court that since the law permits that if you are having marijuana or ganja for prescription, then you will be allowed to use it for prescription. The law also allows that if you are given a license to plant and to cultivate marijuana, the law will act in your defense. You shall not be prosecuted by the state. Rasta is also asking that the same opportunity given to people with licenses, the same opportunity given to people who have it under medical prescription also be allowed so that Rasta can use it for meditation and for reasoning. That is what Rasta is asking. True. So we thank the court yet again that the court has given us dates moving backwards, so that even as we speak now, we know that if all remains constant, the court will be making a decision on this issue, on the constitutionality of Section 3 and Section 5 and 6 of the Narcotic and Psychotropic Act on the 12th day of March 2026. So even as we depart and wait for time, so that time can run out and we return before the Honorable Court, I wish also to take this opportunity that we remember Rasta Logeron for the effort that he put in fighting for Rasta within the Republic of Kenya, for his effort in championing for this cause that Rasta has taken. And I will pray that if you so permit, we can also have a moment of silence for 1 minute to remember Rasta Logeron Jaden for his effort in fighting for Rasta and what Rasta stands for. Before we can also pave the floor for my senior, Mr. Danstan Omari, our patron, to also say something about what has transpired today. Okay. Thank you.
I wanted to say about also in the Constitution article culture.
Yes.
I want to add again.
Excuse, are you
Selassie
Emperor?
Selassie. Rastafari. Selassie the first. Having been a drafter of this new constitution at Bomas, with Honorable Wangari Maathai, we got a culture in our constitution. The article in culture, Article 11, 3B says that the government shall allow or pass laws that are going to allow people to make or do research on all indigenous seeds and variety of plants. That includes marijuana. But we are not allowed to touch the marijuana. Who says so? This herb was brought by His Most High, Almighty, and brought it to this land. Now they are saying it's not good. In the Bible, or Bible, as you call it, anyone against any creation of God, whether it's marijuana, whether it's another small insect, and you keep on killing them and you're not eating them. You are slashing maize and you're not eating them. Unasema unakula ganja, alafu unashikwa. Kwa nini unashikwa? Kwa nini unashikwa? Na katiba inakubali ufanye research. Sisi tuko Guinea lions, not guinea pigs. Sisi Guinea lions. Tumechoma mpaka tukajua vile inakaa. So what we are saying is out of experience. And the government or whoever says that we should not legalize or discriminalize, atulete evidence yake ya kusema no. Lakini tunajua cigarettes are bad, alcohol is bad, hard drugs are bad. Athletics are got in drugs. Nobody arrests them. Is that true?
Yes.
Who arrests the athletes when they take those hard drugs? Nobody. But Rasta with the herb, he's got an AK in his hands. But that's not the issue. The issue is let us live together with everything that we have. Almighty has blessed us with good brains of law and natural brains of articulating how we move forward. Prophecy. That is why we are here, to prophesy. Judiciary is under His Imperial Majesty Haile Selassie. If you don't know, judicious comes from the word Judah. The Lion of Judah has prevailed. Also again, the Lion of Judah, his foundation, the white horse rider. These are the guys who are riding the white horse. The white horse brings justice, equal rights. Am I right? Yes. Blessed Rasta. My name, Ras Gwandamoy Gakuya, once a drafter of the Constitution. That's why I'm here. And I feel very good to talk about the herb. The herb is not a drug. Let them know. Let them ask the president, the botanist, between a drug and a herb. Instead of doing AI, artificial intelligence, the president should tell us about artificial insemination. That is what he studied for. So when we inseminate our hard drugs, in our minds, we are killing our children. So be blessed, Kenyans, and everyone who uses the herb for healing, for spiritually, and for entertainment. Yes, sir. Rastafari is the last year.
Let me know. Do you allow women to talk? Under job?
Ladies.
Yes. Ladies must talk.
Yes.
Wow, she's here.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, members of the Fourth Estate.
Good afternoon.
Kwa majina naitwa Wanjiko Waithera, mimi ni mwanasheria, nafanya kazi na sheria mtaani na Shadrack Wamboi, na leo tulikuwa tumeweza kukuja katika kusikizwa kwa kesi ambayo iliwasilishwa kwa niaba ya Rastafari Association of Kenya, na ni kesi ambayo inahusiana na legalization ya marijuana, hasa katika kutumia na mambo ya research, mambo ya dini na mambo pia ya culture. Na leo tumeweza kupostpone ile kesi kwa sababu ofisi ya mwanasheria mkuu Attorney General wameweza kuomba muda kwamba waweze kuruhusiwa kuenda na kuweza kutengeneza makaratasi ya kuwasilisha kotini. Na ingawaje kesi hii imeweza kukua hapa tangu mwaka wa 2221, hawajaweza kuleta document zao za kusupport kesi yao, na koti imeweza kuwaruhusu. Kwa hivyo tutarejea kotini tarehe 14 na tarehe 15 ya Januari ili tuweze kusikizwa, na tumeweza kulainisha expert witnesses kutoka kwa kikundi hiki ambao wataweza kukuja na kuelezea koti umuhimu wa marijuana kulingana na zile research ambazo zimeweza kufanywa. Kwa hivyo tukutane tena tarehe 14 na tarehe 15, na baadaye tutaweza kukutana tarehe 12 ya mwezi wa 3 kuweza kusikiza uamuzi wa Justice Mwamuye Bahati. Asanteni.
Marasta wanavaa suti.
Yes, kabisa.
Situsikie kama anajua kuzungumza na suti.
I'm Mathenge Mukundi. Yes, I'm an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Indeed, I was the first Rastafari, advocate in Kenya. So I want to thank my seniors for, championing for our rights. Because we do get, despite being an advocate for more than 5 years now, we do get discrimination. We do get the stigma because of the use of cannabis. Okay, I'm practicing, Rastafari, and we use it for spiritual and religious purposes, and that is what we are moving the High Court, so to allow us in our, in our tabernacles, in our shrines, in our, even at our private places. Because as my senior has said, we do get, a violation, that infringement of the right to privacy. So, okay, the court session did not, proceed, but we'll be back here on as the date stated. That is 14th and 15th January 2026. So thank you again, for giving us this audience, because there is a lot of misinformation, there is a lot of disinformation on use of cannabis, but the use of cannabis, as said, does not affect our, the way we do our, our own things, because either way, I had also been, employed by the government. I did my, pupillage with the government, and also, I have my own law firm in Westlands. So, from what I gather, as a, practicing Rastafari, we need a lot of, information to go out there and state that we are not thugs, we are not, ganja heads. We are people who have, focus, yeah, yes, sir. Give thanks.
Give thanks.
Well, on Friday I was at a dowry function in Ukambani to one of my clients. The reason being that people gave him a wrong name and persecuted him. Today, Rastafari has been given a wrong name and they are being discriminated. A live evidence is here that taking ganja produces the best legal brains in this country. So there cannot be an argument that whatever we are pushing is contrary to any constitutional provision. The Kayas in Coast practice their culture uninterrupted. The Hindus practice their culture uninterrupted. The Merus, the Njurinjekes practice their culture uninterrupted. The Nyomba Mumbi practices their culture facing the mountain without any interruption. The framers of the Constitution provided for that there can never be discrimination, and especially negative discrimination. We are pushing, and we shall be pushing through Sharia Mtaani, the branch that we have that deals with public matters. The state has not responded since 2021. We will discuss and file another petition for people who are supposed to respond. That is the office of the Attorney General. We shall move to remove them from office for failure to respond. So we are giving the Attorney General a serious public warning that Rastafarians have a right for their cases to be heard, and the state cannot sit with our affidavit from 2021 to 2025. Strange. This is one of the cases that is the oldest case in this division. The CJ is fighting to clear the backlog. Reason as to why this one has not been concluded is a subject of discussion. We shall be here in thousands on January 14 and 15 when this matter will be heard live. We have requested the court, and the court has agreed the hearing shall be in open court. And we invite our partners in the message of Rastafari, that is the fourth estate, the media. You have a duty to set an agenda so that all these people behind here who are registered, regulated by the government can be heard and enjoy their freedom the way we enjoy our freedoms. Fridays, worship is done in the Muslim sector uninterrupted. Saturday, the SDA practice their faith uninterrupted. Sunday, a multiplicity of religions practice their worship uninterrupted. Why should the Rastafarians be a subject of state attack, yet they are citizens of this country? We see you in January. Thank you very much.
Long live Sharia Mtaani, long live. More power to Wamboi, more power. More power to Senior Omari, more power. More power to Rastafari, more power. More power to indigenous sovereignty, more power. More power.
Yeah.
Rastafari.
Ini religion inabamba. Ini Mike.
Ancient Africa, ancient Africa, ancient Africa. We are the children of the ancient Africa. Oh, yes, we are. Let's come together, we are ancient Africa, ancient Africa, ancient Africa. Let's come together, we are ancient Africans, oh yes we are. Science and physics come from ancient Africa, ancient Africa, ancient Africa. Science and physics come from ancient Africa, oh yes we are. Ancient Africa, ancient Africa, ancient Africa, Dante Mate is an ancient Africa, oh yes we are. So let's come together, we are ancient Africa, ancient Africa, ancient Africa. Let's come together, we are ancient Africa, oh yes we are. Oh yes we are. Abyssinians, oh yes we are. Ethiopians, oh yes we are. Oh yes we are. Freedom fighters, oh yes we are. Oh yes we are. Oh yes we are.